What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of Godzilla. Let's begin today's lesson by blocking out the basic shape of the head. We're going to start with a guideline going across the center of our page from left to right. So go all the way across. Just going to lightly draw this line. Now over on the left side, let's draw a short line going up towards the top of the muzzle. And then draw another straight line going across towards the right. Now from this point, we're going to step over towards the right and draw the front edge of the brow. We're just going to angle this up and in. I'm just going to taper the head going up and out towards the back, towards the right. Now I want to place the eye along this area. Draw a straight line going up towards the back, round at the bottom of the eye, and pull that forward. Now the mouth is going to sit along this line. I'm just going to bend this up and out towards the corner of the mouth. Angle this down towards the bottom. Let's slope the jaw, coming over towards the left. Flatten off the jaw. Now I'm going to draw a straight angle line going up and over towards the right. Now along this bottom line, I'm just going to angle the jaw from here, going up, just following that same angle we have in the front of the mouth, towards that top line. Now let's move over, angle the neck, coming down and out. Now that we have the basic building blocks of the head, let's start refining the detail. Let's start by adding that cartilage along the corner of the mouth. We start from this point, then this out, and then down towards the bottom. Let's round up the top of the muzzle, just taking out that sharp point, coming in towards the brow. Just gonna angle this down towards the bottom. Now let's add a little bit more shape to the top edge of the mouth. So we go up, bend this down, and then back up. Let's refine the shape of the brow. Add a fold underneath. Pull the brow going up. I'm just going to curve the back side of the brow coming in toward the top of the head. Now I'm just going to add some more bumps across the top of the head, going up and then out. Let's add a seam across the top of the head, going up and then down. And then from the bottom of the eye, just going to sweep this down around the mouth and back up. Now I'm going to add some more shape to the mouth. Taking out that sharp point, coming forward. And we'll round out the chin, coming down towards the bottom, and bending that up and in. Let's add a couple points across the top of the head, going bigger as we go back. Now we're going to see the back edge of the mouth, just coming down towards the bottom, and just blending that out. And along the inside, along the bottom, I'm just going to add the tongue, just curving the top, going out toward the point, and then tapering that back in. Let's add some teeth across the top. We're just going to rough this in, going smaller as we come in towards the corner of the mouth. And we'll add a few teeth across the bottom. Now along the front, we're just going to block in the nostril. Okay, now that we have the rough sketch in place, let's go back and lightly erase these guidelines. Just going to clean up our drawing, just taking out the sharp points and lines. Now that we've cleaned up our drawing, we'll use this rough sketch as a guide to add some more detail. Let's start with the top edge of the brow. Just going to add some folds and wrinkles as we go. Just layering this in, out towards the side. I'm just going to add some folds and wrinkles underneath the eye. Just working this out. And then across the bottom of the eye. add some teeth across the back side of the mouth. And just add some wrinkles across the base of the neck. And I want to clean up our drawing one final time before we add some more detail and shading. I'm just going to start by adding some cracks around the eye. And just darkening up the edge of the eyelid. I'm just going to add some folds and wrinkles across that cartilage just to stretch the skin. I'm just going to shade in the back row of teeth and the top of the mouth, going in between the front row of teeth. I'm just adding some drips coming down from the chin. And just adding these rough spots across the jawline. Now once we've finished our detailed pass, I'm going to go in with the flat edge of my pencil and start adding some shadows. So we start on the outside of the eye. It's going to darken this up along the top and then fade that down. And this darkness is going to enhance the glow of the eye. So with this, I'm just positioning the light along the top of the character going across, so the highlights will sit along the top edge with the shadows across the bottom. So let's darken up the bottom edge of the brow. Again, this is going to enhance the eye. Now that we complete the first pass of shadows, I'm going to go in and start adding that core shadow along the bottom edge. So we just want to darken up that shadow and blend that out. Just leaving a gap along the bottom. This will help give a little bit more shape to those areas. I'm just going to go back and just darken up our contrast. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding some more blotches across the jaw and the neck area. And this will mimic the scales across the head. As we get near the end, I'm just going to touch up our detail, add a little bit more saliva around the mouth, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Godzilla. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Hey everyone, if you really want to discover your artistic potential, then join our Club Masterclass membership. For just $1 a month, you'll gain instant access to exclusive members-only drawing tutorials, virtual art camps, and much, much more. Join our thriving community of passionate artists just like you, and let your creativity soar. So just click that link in the description, and I'll see you in the club.